Hey guys, welcome back to Minute Family Farm. We are doing our night checks. Hi, animal. Hi. Stop. Go get your ball. So Mama here, well, they're both pregnant, but as you can see, she's got her milk bags coming in. And this is the first one, so they're 3 weeks apart. Say hi. And yeah, so they're gonna be due, and this one's gonna be due next week. But yeah, it's gonna be real interesting. And lambs, another one's pregnant. We probably got another 2 weeks for the last one. And now we got these two girls that are gonna be 3 weeks apart. And first time for piglets. So things are gonna get interesting here. They're gonna move from this pen dog's choking on grass. So we have that pen for them. They've been in there since October or November or something. So what we've done, yeah, moving around the shop. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Something else to add to my freaking list. So this big old pile of dirt here, but so this is where the pigs will be now when they give their litters. This is basically just a holding pen for piglets and weaning. Eventually so we got, if I can do this here, one here, another one here. This is all going to be wood for firewood up here. There's going to be another one. There's another support post here, and then there's going to be another one here. So that way it can be quarantined, it can be for sheep, it can be for calves, because we're picking up 2 calves this summer/fall. These are actually repurposed from a farmer. It's not in the ground yet. You can actually hear the groundwater. So it saved me a lot of money. I actually got a stack. Where are we at here? Over here of about 10-15 more. And those are going to end up, I got to take the tractor over and go get some more. So all this will end up coming out where these posts are, and then all this dirt is exposed now because everything was sloping down. I need to get a box blade and do some more work with it, but this will actually be drive. This will all be gravel. And you can see, so we're going to be going to, these are 4x4, we're going to be going to 4x5 round bales from now on. Saves a lot of money, saves a lot of labor too. So there's going to be a fence line here like we have on the rest of the property, and then there's going to be raised beds up to that, and then there's going to be a nice little mulched walkway here in order to get down this garden. And then we'll rotate pigs on this depending on winter, summer, rotate with this from now on where the greenhouse is. So this is compost pile. That still needs broken down. So everything where the pigs are now will go on top of this, and I'll let it sit. So I just turned it today. It's looking real good. I need to burn that. Just leftover wood I can't do anything with. But yeah, sheep are doing good. So we'll move them this week. So I'll do another fence row. They love eating those little flowers, dandelions. But they've eaten this pretty good, so we'll move them around. So they'll go from this fence line, electric fence, over on this side of the chicken coop. Sheep like to eat their grain, even though they're not on grain. Then this is their, and then this fence will actually come catty corner over and then meet up with this guy, and then this will be kind of a holding pen. But here is everybody. There's Bradley. This is the one that's still pregnant, 461. She had a single, and then there's twins over on the one with the bell. And a lot of people have asked me what the bell is for. So our back 3 acres, whatever, actually all of it except for what's behind me here, is covered by a 2x4 high tensile fence. So as you can see, so typical fence has, like a sheep fence is a 4x4, and that's the dividing fence that we have. That is this. That separates basically the side yard, the play yard for the kids, to the back pasture. So a coyote can actually fit through a 4x4. So it's 2x4. So this is an entire 4x4. A coyote can fit through that. So that's kind of why I did this. And this goes all the way around. It took me about 2 months to pull it. It was expensive, but when you consider how much livestock is, it's worth the extra money. But yeah, get a shot of the baby jumping around over there. Farmers are out planting. Yeah, it's been interesting. I gotta go work with the bees at 4 different yards, so crap is getting there. Hope to move pigs tomorrow. I really don't want to move her when she has her piglets and kind of want to give her a piece. But yeah, that's about it. No other excitement. Thank God, I have enough of that. A beat and stick. But yeah, so not sure what I'm gonna do with all this dirt. I'll probably wait until I clean out the pigs, and then that'll actually go in there. Get some topsoil in there, throw some seed down, and go from there. But thanks for sticking around, guys. We'll keep you up to date on piglets and feeders, and once we know how many piglets we're gonna get, I'll know how many we're gonna sell as feeders and whatnot, and then how many we're gonna sell for half our holes to you guys. As of right now, we have a slot for 8 for the butcher, but I'm gonna call, and I'm planning on taking 10. The reason I'm planning on taking 10 is because where's your other one, Mama? two under there? Oh, okay, you're the single. God, I got scared there. Okay, they're all good. We're planning on taking 10 to the butcher. That way we can actually get, they can actually render our fat for us instead of us doing it. Because when I did it, it took all day or 2 days, and then on top of that, it was, farmers are getting busy. Took 2 days, and then on top of that, I can't sell it. Go figure. But yeah, just want to say, hey, take it easy, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Check us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We got all sorts of stuff. We've been trying to post on everything lately. But yeah, hit us up. Thanks, guys.